Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a user in Expensify. This is great if you want to include team members, employees or accountants in your expenses workflow. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to open your Expensify app or go to the website of expensify.com using any browser that you have. You can use any browser, that is Google, Opera or Safari. After you open your Expensify app or website, simply log into your account. Then simply go to your workspace right here at the bottom of your page. You can find workplace right there and simply open one of your workplace, and as you can see there is an option called members right here. You can add user to this members option. Simply click on invite members or simply do more and you can download CSV file and send it to the person you want to add as a user. Type in the emails of the user right here when you tap on invite new member. You can also assign a role like admin, employee or auditor depending on their responsibilities. Now simply click invite and the person will receive an email invitation and you will be added to your expenses or Expensify account once they accept it. And that's it guys, you have successfully added a user to Expensify. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tips and comment below with the next feature you want to see. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.